I could spend this video being like, this is where I've been, this is what I'm doing, but I don't really want to do that. Not right now. Another video will do that. So we're just going to we're gonna like search for my like quick makeup so that I have a makeup that I can do and you know what I'm doing, and then I can get on camera and talk to you. Exciting news. I'm really low in frame, but we'll deal with that later. Oh, catfish whiskers. Want to see my baby? It's my baby.
Save the album. I'm probably gonna check it out after this, so I think it does. So since
we're in the P. Louise palette in No League, just because I need it. I don't want it to crease. I just don't want my lids to crease. You see how dark my under eyes are? I think I'm sleeping the same amount that I'm normally, but I think I'm just, I've been neglecting my skincare. So it's like, I think it's just that. If I put split in the center, is that gonna be weird? I just don't want the inside of my eyes to look really dark, because that kind of makes it look like I'm wearing way more makeup than I want to. Here we go. Again, I just want brown. Oh, my P. Louise palette that I'm using. Brown.
Most of my life now, but I did grow up in my phone with yes, accent culture. Just I'll use myself as an example. I moved to America when I was 11 years old. I got 28 for 2 decades. It's very normal for accents to fade over time. I say a lot more rhotic R's than I used to. But
I'm so stressed about this because, like, is there more product in here? Yes. Do I fight it every time? Yes. Oh, my eyes look so tiny. My eyes look so tiny with eyeliner. Oh no, girl. I don't know. But I'm just gonna keep it. That's fine. It's not hurting me to have it. It's just annoying. When I traveled with it, I thought I'm gonna use the rest of it, and then I didn't, and so it's like, ah. So I'm gonna do eyeliner, and then I will turn the camera back on whenever the eyeliner finishes happening. Because you know what this is probably gonna look like. Just a little wing. I like this wing better, but it's whatever. I don't really have time to get into that. Having the strength to put on blush. You know who's still here? Who needs to leave? Like, get a job? Get a job! Leave!
It wasn't Kid Rock was hot. No. Used for spices, baking soda, baking powder. I'm going to use it for sprinkles. Now I'm going to tell you that this
Okay, let's do a lip. And I've been trying to use this product and I never have an excuse to. I'm always like, oh, it doesn't really go with the... I'm gonna use it today. It's a little light. It's like the color of my lip. It's like a true nude on me, which is why I don't think it has enough contrast. It's really, really flattering. And I do like this. I do like this. This color is nice. I like wearing it. It is, what shade is it? I guess I'll never know. Yeah, I guess I'll just never know anymore. Vacay mode. Alright,